to cook spaghetti, and these are our ingredients. We have the onions, red bulb onions. We have the grated garlic and ginger. We have the coriander stems, coriander leaves. We have the hoho, or the green pepper. We have the tomato sauce. We have the turmeric, paprika, spoonful of tomato paste, cooking oil. And we have the soy sauce. We have the salt. We have the spaghetti, 500 grams of spaghetti, as you can see. And we have the tomatoes. So let's get into cooking. So first of all, we're going to boil the spaghetti. Using a big sufuria with a lot of water, so that we may give the spaghetti space to cook wholly, because you don't want it to break into small pieces. We want it whole. So I'm going to boil the water. Let me put the water in the sufuria. As you can see, I'm using a lot of water. Okay, so I'm going to add the spaghettis without cutting them. I don't cut mine. We're going to leave them so that they may boil fully. After some time, I'll come and roll them so that all may be in the water. Okay, at this point we are going to add salt. Enough amount of salt to cook with it. Our spaghetti is ready. We've drained the water. Now we're going to the next step. Okay, I'm going to add enough amount of oil. We're going to add our onion. We're going to let it sit for around 2 minutes. Then we'll be back to look if it has changed to golden color. As you can see, it's turning golden. That's what we wanted. I'm going to add my ginger and my garlic. Here's the ginger. And here's the grated garlic. Next we're going to add the tomatoes. You reduce the heat to medium heat. Next, now I'm going to add the tomato paste. Next, I'm going to add my coriander stems and my green pepper. Our aim is to get a thick paste. Next, I'm going to add paprika. I'm adding just enough amount of turmeric. I'm loving the color and the smell. It is starting to form the thick paste that you want. The tomatoes are fully cooked. I'm adding the soy sauce, 2 spoonfuls. Look at the pests. Wow. So next, as you can see, our paste is thick. I'm going to add a little amount of water. Let it cook for a while so that we may add our spaghetti. Look at our paste. Wow. I'm going to add our spaghetti.